Hi, Jason Knott with CE Pro here, and I am with Mark and Ainslie Fukuda from Wave Electronics. We just came off the great big CEDIA 2016 show. Thanks, guys, for taking the time to talk to CE Pro today.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks, Jason.
We had a great show, and we won an award for the best sound quality at CEDIA, so we're pretty pumped about that.
Congratulations. So tell us about the kind of the big news from Wave, the Elura line of architectural speakers. Tell us how that came to be and the development that took place for that.
Yeah, sure. So, Wave Electronics is a distributor for many brands, but we wanted to create a brand about 3 years ago of speakers that were kind of our own. Since my brother and I are both from the car audio industry, we're both enthusiasts and audiophiles. We wanted to create a really good sounding architectural speaker for the custom installers, kind of by custom installers. So 3 years ago we started, and today we've got, I think, over 20 speakers within the lineup, and we even have great partners like Sonance making some of our speakers.
What was the response at the show?
So the response was pretty overwhelming because we had some really unique listening pods that people could sit down and listen to a set of 6.5-inch speakers, and they were just blown away by how realistic and how wide the soundstage sounded with the speakers. So everyone that sat down didn't believe they were just listening to 2 speakers. They were looking for subwoofers, they were looking for other surround sound speakers, so it was pretty phenomenal. So
you hit on kind of one of the points I wanted to talk about, which was the time and the effort that you took in to develop this. There's a lot of distributors out there who are bringing, so to speak, house brands, but you guys really took it to the next level. Why did you feel that was important to do?
So obviously there's a lot of brands out there, like you said. There's a lot of A-branded products. There's a lot of distributors that are coming up with their own branded stuff. We come at from a different angle. We understand the sonic industry very well as far as sound quality, because that's kind of the area that we came from. So we wanted to come out with a line of speakers that obviously had great spectral balance, very high efficiency, and we wanted it to have all those attributes, and it didn't have to be a fancy, package that had a lot of features that really didn't make it sound any better, that was going to cost the installer more. So we focused on what's important. We focused on efficiency, sound quality, ease of installation, and we also wanted the speaker, not just Elura, but all the speakers that we've developed, to be a product that we could protect as far as distribution. Dealers can make a lot of money on, and they have a strong warranty program behind them.
Fantastic. All right, last point I wanted to touch on is what can we expect to see down the line from the Elura line?
So in the future, we're looking at more premium speakers within the Blue Label by Sonance lineup. They've become very popular, and so we're looking at more outdoor speakers. We're also looking at some sound bars, but we definitely want to expand the line beyond what we already have. Another thing that we have coming is some really strong subwoofers. My brother and I are really big into bass. We love low, loud bass, and sometimes just too much of it. You go to his house, and I think he's got 6 subwoofers just in his living room. So we want people to also have the same passion that we have about low frequency and to understand what bass really is. So we want to launch some of our new speakers hopefully at Q2 in 2017.
All right, we will keep our eyes peeled for that, and thank you for the time today. And what's the website that people can go to if they want more information?
Yeah, it's elura.audio. It's pretty simple.
All right, Ainslie, Mark, thanks for taking the time today.
Thank you, Jason. Thank you, CE Pro.